Nitakuwa mwalimu Wabui. My name is Teacher Wabui. Welcome back to Simple Kikuyu lesson. In this episode, we'll be looking at body parts. Body parts. Shiega, shia, mwere. Shiega, shia, mwere. Shiega, shia, mwere. Welcome and let's learn together. So starting from the head, mutwe, 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 head. Roreme, roreme, like your tongue. Roreme, 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 that has the R sound. If you can remember from a previous episode when you did the alphabet, the R has the roaring of the tongue. So it's roreme, roreme. Rido, like the I. Rido, 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 I. Maido, if it's more than one, or if you're talking about more than one person, you can say maido, 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 like the eyes. Inioro, if it's one nose, inioro, 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 nose. We're talking about more than one. If you're talking about several people and their noses, you can say manioro, manioro, manioro. So the Kikuyu language, as I said previously, the R sound has a rolling of the tongue, but that comes with practice. So if you can't say it now, it is okay, but with practice, you'll be able to say it. Moving down, we've talked about the parts that are on your head, that is the head, the eyes, the nose, and the tongue. But we forgot about the mouth, which is the most important part, one of the important parts of the visual or what someone sees the first time they see you. So let's talk about kanua, the mouth, kanua, kanua gakwa, my mouth, kanua, kanua. You know, kanua doesn't have a plural, but you can say tonua. Tonua, yes, I do have a plural. That is tonua if it's more than one, but one is kanua, kanua gakwa. Moving down, let's move to the chest, the part of your body that is the chest, which is geduri. If it's one, it's geduri. If it's more than one, it's idori, idori. One is geduri, geduri, geduri. More than one is idori if you're talking about more than one person. Then we could move to the hands. Guoko. If it's one, is guoko, 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 hand. More than one, hands, like the two hands. Moko, moko, moko. When we start looking at the deeper part of learning a language, we'll be looking at the syllables and all that. But for now, we're just doing the basics of knowing the pronunciation of different things. And for today, like we're doing the body parts. Kiara, if it's one finger, Kiara, 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 one finger, Kiara, Kiara, more than one, Shiara, 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 Shiara. And for this word, Shiara, when we start looking at the homophones, we'll be looking at the word that sounds similar. There's another definition of this word shiara if you say it in a certain intonation, but we'll come to that later. So more than one is shiara, one is shiara. Thank you for following us this far. I'm sure you can at least remember some of the body parts we've talked about. Next time you go to the mirror, you see your face, you can see the eyes, maido, you can see the nose, inyoro, you can see the mouth, kanua. Now let's go down to the neck. Gigo, 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 neck. Gigo, gigo, neck. Da, Da, like the stomach. Da, 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 da. The N is silent in this one. You see the spelling is NDA, but you just sound the D, so the N is silent, so it's da. Mokonyo, 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 navel or the belly button. Mokonyo, mokonyo, navel, belly button. Mokonyo, mokonyo. Kogoro, 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 leg, kogoro, leg. More than one, magoro, 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 legs. More than one, magoro. Ikinya, feet. Ikinya, ikinya, feet. Ikinya, ikinya, feet. More than one, makinya, 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 makinya. Before we end the video or this lesson, we're going to practice with one body part, the eye, and see how you can express or how you can describe it to somebody else. So we're going to practice. It's a quiz, but I'm going to help you with the quiz. If I want to say my eye, rido riakwa, rido riakwa, my eye, rido riakwa. If I want to talk about my two eyes, I would say maido makwa, maido makwa, maido makwa, maido makwa. If it is your eye, I would say rido, one eye, rido, riaku, rido, riaku, rido, riaku, your eye. If I want to say your eyes, more than one, maido, maku, maido, maku, maido, maido, maku. His eye or her eye, rido, riake, rido, riake, rido, riake. His or her eye, rido, riake, rido, riake, rido, riake. His or her eyes, maido, make, maido, make, maido, make. If it's more than one person, their eyes, maido, mau, maido, mau, maido, mau. I would urge you to go back and practice this part because it will help you as you continue learning this language. Thank you so much for joining us for this lesson. And as usual, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, following us. Give us your comments. Let us know how we can improve the lessons. And if there's one particular lesson that you would want me to go over again or something that in particular you want me to talk about, please let us know. This is Kikuyu, Simple Kikuyu Lesson. Thank you for joining us.